Alright folks, this will be a video response with my EDC to Faliaphotography's contest, and congratulations on 15,000 subscribers, I believe it was. You'll have to pardon me, I don't do many videos, so I'll say probably 1,000 times and stumble over my words, but here you go. Here's my EDC in response. Carry a just a regular leather wallet. I don't think I need to go into too much detail on that. I carry that in my back left pocket. In my left front pocket, I carry a cork, 4/7 cork, 123 squared, a 1232. However you want to call that. I have the deep carry pocket clip with it, and I use this every day. It's a great flashlight. Doesn't really take up much room. Also in my left front pocket, along with that, Leatherman Juice CS4. There have been a million reviews on the Leatherman Juice line. The CS4 has a corkscrew, which I dig. I like to open a bottle of wine every now and again. So this is a great multi-tool. I use this all the time, daily. The copy machine at my office is a piece of crap, and I'm always pulling this thing out to fix it. So that's a must-have every day. In my right front pocket, carry Kershaw Skyline. You know, I got it at Walmart. It's not the best knife in the world if you're a knife guy, but I like it. I really like it. It's very comfortable in the hand. It opens quick if you don't suck at opening knives. Nice blade shape. It was very sharp out of the box, and it's just been a really good knife. I beat up knives, I open boxes, cut shrink wrap, use a knife a lot, so this is a very, very good knife, and I don't mind beating it up. It's a Kershaw Skyline. Let's see here, what else do I carry? Typically carry a lighter of some sort. I've got 5 or 6. I just snatch whatever's in the EDC drawer and throw it in my pocket. I typically wear a Casio G-Shock watch. It's a good watch. I like it. Not much to say about that. I just think it's important to carry a watch. Cell phones are great, but you know, they're not always there. As for my self-defense firearm, I carry a SIG P239. You have to take my word for it, it's safety checked. I love this gun. I used to carry a Glock 27, and then I had put a 9mm conversion barrel in the 27 for cheaper target ammo, and my wife ended up loving that gun, so I gave it to her in 9mm configuration, and she is now carrying that. She's got her concealed carry. So I went out shopping, and this is what I came home with. SIG P239. It's got the custom shop logo, which just basically means they shaved or dehorned the slide, and a couple other things. It comes with the SIG light night sights. But yeah, this is a beautiful gun. It's very comfortable, very slim as far as I'm concerned. I've carried a 1911, I carried the Glock 27, and I like this as well as anything. It's a little bit heavier than the Glock, but the balance is better with a loaded magazine, so that is a fantastic weapon. And as of right now, just because I ran out of money, excuse me, buying the gun, I'm carrying it in a $20 inside the waistband holster. So if that tells you what prize pack I would be interested in, I'm looking for a new holster for the SIG P239. But that is my EDC. Occasionally I'll throw a Kershaw Leak in instead of the Skyline or Spyderco. I like all these knives. I'm just not as much of a knife guy, really. I love multi-tools, so I never leave the house without this in the pocket. This thing has been a lifesaver more times than I can tell you. So that is my EDC, and I appreciate the opportunity to enter. Thank you.